happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health. As you know, we are on chapter number 8, that is decimal numbers. This video is your part 8. As you know, we have started with our exercise number 5 on page number 81 of your textbook. We have done our question number 1 in the previous class, right? So today we will be dealing with question number 2. That is, question number 2, find the quotient in each of the following. We are supposed to find the quotient in each of the following. As you can see, 2.74 divided by 20. That means we are supposed to divide by tens, 20, 30, 40, 100 or so on. पीछे zeros are there. Okay? So, one shortcut is there to reduce our efforts. That is, 2.74 is divided by 20. So, I can write 10 into 20. 10 into 2 equals to 20. I can write this 10 into 2 equals to 20. So here I will be writing 10 into 2. Done. Now, you know what? That if any number is divided by 10, so the decimal will be moving, right? Divide 1 upon 2. मैम ने क्या किया? 10 into 2 को split कर दिया. 10 divided by 1 upon 2. Done. Easy. What मैम have written now? 20 को मैम ने लिखा 10 into 2. Then 2.74 upon 10 divide 1 upon 2. मैम ने दोनों को split कर दिया. Done. Easy. Now, as you know, when any number is divided by 10, the point will be moving ahead. Point left side or move hoga. We have learned this in question number 1. Yes. So now 0.274 divided by 1 upon 2. Done. Easy. Now simple, we will be dividing 2 with this number. Done. How to divide? Wait, let me use another color. Okay. 0.274. The 0 point decimal will remain as it is. 2, 1, want, you can copy the solution also. And always remember, you need to show all these calculations as a part of your answer. Done, students? Now I am releasing this part. Done? Now let's solve this one. That is 27.3 upon 2000 is there. So I can split it up 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000. Now I will be separating both. 27.3 upon 1000 divide 1 upon 2. Done? Now focus. 273. 3 zeros are there. That means ये decimal 3 number के बाद जाना चाहिए, right? But I have only 2 numbers, so I am replacing 1 0. Again, I am repeating. See, decimal is at here 27.3. Decimal यहाँ पर है. As per the rules, 3 zeros are there, so this decimal will be jumping after 3 numbers. But here only 2 numbers are there, so ma'am will add 1 0. So 1 0 will be added here and then point will come. Understood? Again 0 point. Done? Point के आगे कुछ नहीं है, so ma'am will be writing 1 0. Divide 1 upon 2. You can divide and you can find the answer. But the main focus on this part. Okay? Done? Easy? This part? Okay. So now let's move to our question number 3. That is, find the quotient in each of the following. We are supposed to find the quotient. Let's start this. 620.4. 6 threes are 18. Remainder will be 2. This decimal will go up and this 4 will be coming down. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Minus 0 0. So at the end you need to mention the quotient equals to 3.4. Remainder is 0. Done, students? So your homework is, you are supposed to solve question number 3's B, C and D. E we will be solving in the next video, because in this decimal is divided by whole number. But from E onwards, decimal is divided by decimal. I need to explain that. Okay? So your homework is, you are supposed to solve this 3 sums of question number 3. So students, grant me leave. We will be meeting soon in the next